What if there was one thing you could do to immediately get more milk? I'm going to give you 2, maybe even 3 if you stick to the end. For the past 5 years, I've been working with mothers to boost their milk supply and have a pain-free breastfeeding experience. Low milk supply happens for a number of reasons: stress, hormones, malnutrition, PCOS, medication side effects, infant energy, prematurity, tongue-lip tie. There's so many reasons as to why women are struggling with low milk supply. And figuring out the reason is very important. We got to get to the root of it. But in the meantime, there are 2 things you can do right away that can help you increase your supply a little bit and get more milk out. Now keep in mind, these are short-term solutions. We need to figure out the root cause of the low milk supply. So there are 2 categories of low milk supply. One is medical and the other is circumstantial. Now keep in mind, these are short-term solutions. We need to figure out the root cause of why your milk supply is dropping. So the 2 things you can do right away to increase your milk supply: number 1 is hand massage while pumping or breastfeeding. Adding this hand massage can help loosen up the milk ducts. It can help loosen up that milk that's inside and get it coming out. Because I've talked to a lot of moms who they spend so long on their pump, they spend so long feeding, and they just feel like they're not getting anything out. There was a study done that you can get 48% more milk out of your breast just by adding hand massage while you are pumping or feeding. Now we want to do it slowly and gently. Hand massage should not cause you any pain. You're going to place your hand in a C shape, and you're going to place it 1 finger, basically like 1 finger's distance away from the areola. C shape, press down, push forward, press down, push forward. Very gentle movement, but you will, and you start to move around your breast, not staying in one spot the whole time, but just softening up the breast so that as the milk ejection happens, you're getting more milk out. If you're pressing too hard on certain spots, this can actually do the opposite and end up causing clogged milk ducts. So gentle is your friend. You can add coconut oil as well to just help make that a little bit more comfortable for you. The second tip is adding warmth to your pumping sessions or before your pumping or breastfeeding sessions. This can help stimulate more blood flow, loosen up the milk, and get it out faster and more efficiently. And here's your bonus: a good fitting flange. A properly fitting flange will immediately help you get more milk out. I've seen it in person so many times. The minute we figure out the right size for the mummy, you're getting like 3 times more milk than you were just 1 session ago. Why does that matter? Well, having the wrong size flange can cause nipple damage, it can decrease your milk supply, and it's just discouraging. It is so discouraging to spend so much time trying to boost your milk supply, adding pumping sessions, and not seeing any difference. So it could be the flange size. Now, I'll quickly run through this, but I do have a video that goes way more in depth in it. But what is the flange size? It's the diameter of the hole in the flange. It has nothing to do with your breast size. It has nothing to do with your areola size. All it is about the diameter of the nipple itself. Here are a few signs you might have the wrong size. Pain or discomfort during a pumping session. You're spending a lot of time pumping, but you're barely getting anything out. Or you're seeing this crack or redness at the base of the nipple. Any of this, if you're seeing any of this, experiencing any of these, it could be the flange size. So if you want to watch a more in-depth video and learn how to figure out what is the right size for you, you can click this one right here. These 3 tips will help you get more milk out. I think of it kind of like a lotion bottle, right? We stand pumping, it's getting out, and then it stops getting out, but there's still so much lotion inside. If you just cut it open, you can like scoop probably like 4 more days worth of lotion on the sides. It's kind of like that with our breasts, where we have milk. We always have milk, and sometimes it's just kind of like stuck to the side, and you're trying to get it to come out more. That's exactly what these 3 things are going to do for you. Did these 3 things help increase your milk supply by dramatic amounts? Probably not. and it's not going to be a long-term increase, because really the only true way to increase your supply is by frequent and effective removal. Yes, add heat, add massage, get the right pump size. But if you're not getting your milk out frequently, which means every 2.5 to 3-ish hours, especially in those first few weeks, that is the key to establishing a strong milk supply. If you want to significantly boost your milk supply, nourish your body, strengthen your mind, I have a workbook I made just for you because I have been in the same space and I know how exhausting it is to do all this research and trying to figure out what to do. So I just made you a book. Everything's in one spot. It's got a tracker, it's got recipes to try, it's got rules for pumping, rules for breastfeeding. Just basically I'm breaking it down to the science, and you don't have to buy a bunch of supplements or anything, really. Just feed your body, feed your mind, get milk out. If you want to watch a more in-depth video, I've got this one for you too. I hope it helps. Love ya. See ya, pizza.